What if I told you a single injection could change the fight against HIV in Kenya forever? This is Kenya News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover the revolutionary drug that only needs to be taken twice a year and why Kenya is making history as the first in East Africa to get it. But here's the twist. This isn't a cure, and it's not for everyone. Meet Health Cabinet Secretary Aden Duale. On a Tuesday night, a plane landed carrying a cargo that could protect thousands. For years, the fight against HIV has relied on daily pills, a regimen many find difficult to maintain. But now, a seismic shift. Lenacapavir has arrived. This is a long-acting pre-exposure prophylaxis, or PrEP, drug. It's an injection that blocks the HIV life cycle, stopping the virus before it can establish infection in someone who is HIV-negative. And it lasts for 6 months. But here's what nobody's talking about. This medicine is strictly for prevention. It is neither a vaccine nor a cure. CS Duale was clear. Let me emphasize that this medicine is for those who are HIV-negative. We urge all those on treatment to continue their lifelong therapy. The first batch is 21,000 starter doses, and they're not going everywhere at once. The government has pinpointed 15 priority counties based on HIV burden. These are Siaya, Homa Bay, Migori, Kisumu, Kisii, Mombasa, Nairobi, Machakos, Kajiado, Busia, Kiambu, Kilifi, Kakamega, Uasin Gishu, and Nakuru. That's a targeted strike against the epidemic. But here's the part that will blow your mind. The logistics. A further 12,000 continuation doses are expected by April to ensure no one's protection is interrupted. After this first phase, the rollout extends to another 15 counties, before eventually covering the remaining 17 counties nationally. That's a nationwide shield in the making. And then, something shocking happened behind the scenes. The cost? $800 per patient per year for this initial batch, funded by the Global Fund. The government is already developing a plan to support long-term scale-up beyond this partner-supported phase. This isn't just a donation, it's the start of a sustainable strategy. Here's the twist in the timeline. Lenacapavir was approved by the US FDA in June 2025, then endorsed by the WHO in July 2025. By January this year, Kenya's own Pharmacy and Poisons Board recommended its registration. The speed from global approval to Kenyan delivery is unprecedented. This shows a system moving with urgency. But what does this mean for the bigger picture? Some say this is a game changer that will finally reach populations struggling with daily pills. Others worry about the long-term funding and ensuring it reaches the most vulnerable in those 15 counties. The tension is real, a powerful new tool is here, but the battle to deploy it effectively is just beginning. The unanswered question remains, can this twice-a-year shot be the key to finally bending the curve of new HIV infections in Kenya? We've come from daily pills to biannual injections. From a constant worry to 6 months of peace of mind. Do you think this new drug will be the turning point in Kenya's HIV fight? Drop your take in the comments. Subscribe to Kenya News Update today for more breaking health news.